Today we're going to do a video review of one of the better selling video training courses on ClickBank called video-creatox. And video-creatox, when you go to ClickBank, you go to the marketplace, you'll find it is here. What we're going to do is look at what you get with the course. This is what the sales page looks like. Basically, it's a membership today. It's $1 to join, 7-day trial, and you can charge $27 a month for it. So what I want to do is go on the inside of video-creatox and talk about what the membership is and what you're going to get. So after you've made your purchase, what you can do is download. It's going to take you to this page here. You're going to set up your account for video-creatox membership. So now my account's set up, we're into the membership area. What we're going to do is take a look at in detail what's involved in the course and what is here. And then we'll give you a review of what I think about it in total. So this is today's video review for video-creatox. You're inside the membership area for video-creatox. And what you're going to get here is an introduction. Right here, you're going to get an introduction about YouTube and YouTube videos. This is basically a 30,000 foot view looking down on YouTube and how videos and YouTube's algorithm work basically together and how you can make money from YouTube, which leads to the next point. Making money from YouTube. You click on this and they're going to have, there are 7 videos about how to make money using YouTube. Most of these areas didn't show that much potential to me. I think most of these are discussed openly from other YouTube videos. If you do, you can get them for free, for research. These first 2 videos I know they're based on. So in this area, there's going to talk about, first we're going to talk about keyword research and setting up and finding the highly searched terms, such as he's talking about here about Samsung Galaxy S3. And it's just going to show you how to find highly searched gadget marketing type tools that people are searching for, that they can go on YouTube and find short reviews about. You can make a short review video. Now you're also looking at what he calls a keyword research area based on product name, basically, where you're basically researching and making a video using the exact product name and model number of a product that several people are searching for. They find it because they're in the research part of keyword research, and so the initial shopping is done. They know now that this is a product they're looking for, so you'll get siphon some product traffic off and maybe create some sales from short videos there. And there's been numerous courses about that kind of thing created in the last 10 years. Other ones are like using a video. So here in the third video, he's basically talking about how you can create a video that you're not going to be on screen by making. You can just do a voiceover. The next video, part 2, these 2 videos are together. It's going to show you how to make a simple slideshow creation that you can use, that you can do the voiceover for on this, highlighting a product that sells well. It gives you some suggestions on affiliate marketing sites you can sign up for to become affiliate marketers for, and how you can make simple videos, product videos, that you can siphon off traffic off sites of the area of YouTube where there are good videos and get some sales. When I look at this overall, is I look at it as you kind of slopping into some a sale once in a while. It's not a direct approach to building a long-term business, but you can maybe slop in with some, very popular, like he talks about health issues like breast enhancement or male enhancement, doing videos of products that create wealth because they have lots and lots of traffic, people looking for them. And then he talks about the next couple videos are about using Fiverr to help promote your videos and get the job done with promoting and getting your videos looked at more so you can get more views, so you can obviously sell more products in the end. That's what these are here. And then this one, the last video, is a secret, which I won't divulge to you. It's basically talking about one of the big mistakes he made when marketing and promoting his own video. So now we're going to go from the make money from YouTube step-by-step section. We'll pull that back up. We can go down to this one here. Now this is choose from millions of videos. This is kind of how, this is the crux for the course from the sales page. Okay, this sales page here, the crux of this was choose from millions of videos, earn and upload from your videos. And that's the crux of this whole product being sold. If you look at the description, earn from YouTube without creating your own videos. Full step by step. So that's what we're talking about here. This is the crux of the course. Give you an overview, talking about how to create the videos of your own. But this is the crux, the middle of the course is here. What they're going to do is first they talked about Creative Commons and capturing videos from Creative Commons and creating your own videos using the free editor in YouTube. And there's other free editors you can use as well. But basically creating your own video, doing your own voiceover, and creating a video of your own. Have to do it with whether it be gadget products or high keyword search products, whatever. Using a keyword tool, he talks about a free keyword tool Uber suggests. How to monetize your YouTube videos through AdSense, which is not going to be easy to do. YouTube raised the limits on what you have to do to provide yourself a base to have to be at the point where YouTube will approve of you being monetized by AdSense. That's leaving few choices, creating YouTube ads, which I wouldn't recommend doing. There are whole courses out there that are very expensive on how to create YouTube video ads to do them properly so that you're not shooting money down a money pit and having them come off target and not making anything from the video ads. So I would say stay away from that. And then the free video sites, Pixabay, Cover, Pexels, Videezy, where you can pick up free videos you can download and do voiceovers on them to create videos on things that you want to promote products for, basically. That's the crux of the course right there. It's a lot of free stuff that you can get from YouTube or from Google without paying for this course. So let's bring this back up. Now this is the part of the course I found to be the most straightforward and accurate and helpful, probably to a newbie. But again, I think you could probably find a cheaper course than $1 for a trial for 14 days and then $27 a month, which this is about. So, but there's some videos in here that are good videos. There's some good solid videos for good solid advice on how to maximize SEO in your videos. So this part of the course, I say, is a good part of the course. And then the last section that you're getting with the course is what they call a video marketing area. And this is like a general 30,000 foot view, again, looking down on video marketing and why you would want to be part of it and do it and have a business around it in today's world. So as you can see, there's 10, 11. And this looks like it might be a PLR product that someone rebranded. I would say overall you can probably do much better just doing some free research. And there are some courses that are available for maybe 17 to 27, even $37 that will cover all these areas. And you're only paying once for it, not paying $27 a month for it. Probably I give this course a score of 5 out of 10 for the solid thing, but the 5 parts I'm not going to give you. I just find this price point at $27 a month for a video membership. I don't know what else you're getting with the membership. Keeping that in mind, I'm rating this at a 5 out of 10. I'm going to give it an avoid. I would avoid this probably and find other sources of information that are there. Pay a one-time fee to a good video course from someone. If anyone has any comments or questions about recommendations for other video courses that I might recommend, please feel free to write me down in the comments or contact me via my email in the description. Be happy to help out. And so as my video review of video-creatox, I would say if you got any value today from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like the video for me to help my channel out. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell notification twice. Tap it twice so that I know for sure that you're going to be getting notified every time I publish a new video of content like this today. And as always, I'd like to remind you, my purpose of this channel is to help you think through where your money is going, think through where your time is being spent, and to help you to finally make money online. And just remember, numbers always matter, but it's never as easy as 1, 2, 3. So thank you for watching, and so long.